Welcome to FHEVM Bootcamp, a production-ready 4-week curriculum that takes developers from zero FHE knowledge to building real-world confidential applications. The bootcamp includes 20 modules, 38 contracts, smart contracts all deployed on Ethereum Sepolia, 360 passing tests, 20 slide decks with speaker notes, 215 interactive quiz questions, and approximately 663 hours of structured content. We support 4 learning paths, a standard 4-week cohort at 60 hours per week, an intensive 7-day format for hackathons, a part-time 6-week track for working professionals, and fully self-paced option. Each module ships with a lesson plan. Each module ships with a lesson plan, a marked slide deck, hands-on exercise with solutions, quiz questions, and instruction notes. Let me walk you through each of these 8 conditional logic. This is the module where students learn that you cannot use if statements with encrypted data. You can press there, okay. Every lesson starts with learning objectives, prerequisites, and estimated duration. The content walks through the problem, explains the solution with code examples, and covers common pitfalls. Here you can see the core concept: FHE select replace if as for encrypted conditions. Okay, we can go exercise tab. The exercise tab gives students a hands-on coding challenge. They fill in the to-do sections using the pattern they just learned in the lesson. Here, there is hints and notes. There is a bonus challenge, success criteria. We can go the slides tab. Every module also has a full marked slide deck embedded directly in the platform. Instructor can proceed this in class, and importantly, every single slide has embedded speaker note timing suggestions. You can full screen that. Okay. Students can navigate between modules with arrow buttons. Right, left, next module. They can use right arrow to change the module. Module 9 on-chain encrypted randoms and lesson. And exercise tab is task 1, encrypted this roller recruitment starter code, and it says what you will do, this to do's. Task 2, random pair generator, and this is slides. The code playground, a VS code quality editor built into the browser. Students get 18 hands-on exercise with difficulty indicators: green for beginner, orange for intermediate, red for advanced. Each exercise mapped to a specific module in curriculum, like that. To do 1, to do 2, transfer tokens from sender to recipients, call blah blah. To do 4. Okay, I will fill the to do's. I noted there to be quick here. Okay. Okay. Like that. FHE allow this, and secret message sender. Okay, and I will press compare, and it say yes, this was true. This was our code, and this is true. We encrypt a plain text value using FHE as a unit 32, grant the contract access with allow this, and grant the caller access with allow. This 3-line pattern is the foundation of every FHE operation. The compare view shows a side-by-side diff, your code on the left, the reference solution on the right. Students can immediately see what they got right and what they missed. And this is hints like that. Use FHE from external. If students get stuck, they can progressively reveal hints before seeing the full solution. And if it's okay, if first exercise done, I can press mark done and go other exercise. System 215 questions across all 20 modules. Okay. Each question has immediate feedback with detailed explanations. Scores persist in the browser, and students need 70% to pass the module. Let me initially answer one wrong. You can see it shows the correct. Okay, I'm choosing start the quiz. This is true, and I will choose the wrong. Okay. This is not incorrect. Both branches are always compute, and this is actually for privacy. Otherwise, cost difference will leak for information. Okay, you can. We can use the next question or something. Okay, I am going too fast to finish that. Okay, needs work. Review the lesson thoroughly. 30%. You missed questions and answers correct. Which questions and correct answers. Okay. This was best because this is my first Like that, this is our bootcamp quiz guide and homework sections. The instruction, I will press the instruction guide and it goes to GitHub repo. The instruction guide covers everything and education needs, cohort sizing with TA ratios, a bootcamp preparation checklist, module by module, teaching notes, common student questions, and troubleshooting guides. Okay, I am going to homework section. Each week has a homework, a segment with clear grading criteria. This is our criteria. Here is week 1. Okay, let me show you week 1. An encrypted calculator. The rubric weights functionality of 40%, code quality at 20, and testing at 25, ACL and 15. Students need 70% to pass. This is our homework, MD. You can check that. Around progressive complexity. Week 1 is simple, encrypted calculator. Students focus purely on FHE operations by week 4. They are building a full conditional DAO that combines every pattern they have learned. Each homework has weight rubrics, grade functionality, code quality, testing, and ACL management separately, because in FHE development, getting the ACL right is just important as getting the logic right. Interactive encryption pipeline walkthrough. This walks student through the entire client-side FHE flow from initializing the VSAM module to encrypt the values in the browser to sending handlers and proofs to smart contract. Like that. Like that. Most circular only teach the Solidity site. We cover the full stack. Okay, let me show you our smart contracts. This is our smart contracts, and you can click that and open its live on base Ethereum Sepolia. I can show you show all. All 35 contracts are deployed and verified on Ethereum Sepolia. Students can interact with them directly on chain. So wrap up, this is the FHEVM Bootcamp, 20 modules, 38 deployed contracts, 360 tests, and interactive learning platform with a code playground, 215 quiz questions, 20 slide decks with speaker notes, interaction guides, grading rubrics, and 4 flexible learning paths. Everything is open source, production ready, and designed for immediate deployment by any educator or community. Thank you for watching.